Hi, my name is Taly Mello, and let me start with a quick overview in case Northflow is brand new to you. Northflow is a podcast production workspace built for agencies, podcasters, and networks. It keeps your shows, tasks, guests, content all in one place. So you're not duct taping together different platforms like Trello, Notion, Google Forms, and even like different spreadsheets and Word docs. Whether you're producing just one show, like you're a solo podcaster, or you're managing 20 different shows for different clients, Northflow basically helps you keep everything in one place and it helps you stay on top of all that is going on across all of the different shows that you have to keep an eye on. One thing about Northflow is that we built with the podcast industry. So, since the day we started, we've been talking to different podcasters, agencies, and even some networks to understand their overall workflow. One of the things that we kept hearing over and over was basically like, I have my workflow spread across four different tools, and I'm still chasing people for files or trying to get a guest to book a time with me so we can start recording that episode. And all of this wasn't because of lack of tools. It was about a lack of connection between all of the tools. So we asked, what if your entire podcast workflow lived in just one place? One space, one home base for everything. That's when Northflow started to take shape. Let's start with what we call the eagle's view. So basically, as an eagle, you're flying up high. So if you manage multiple shows, whether you're a solo creator with side projects or an agency with client shows, this is where you see everything at a glance. So as you can see here, I can see the names of the different shows that these episodes belong to. So this one is called The Space Show. This one is from As It Relates to Podcasting with Simona. And so you have a quick overview of everything that's currently in production. So you don't have to be checking 20 different tools or pinging your team to ask, hey, what's the status on episode 5 for the space show? Everything is here and you can see exactly where it is. So this one, for example, it's in progress and there's only one task and it hasn't been completed yet. Now this one, it hasn't even started yet and there are 34 tasks that still needs to be worked on.